Hello YouTube, this is Junior from Pleasant Street Automotive, and today we have a product from IPA. We have the flow-through system with brush and Venturi. This cleans, restores, and applies solvents under pressure. The flow-through system with brush and Venturi is a versatile first-time tool. It features stainless steel, abrasive nylon brush heads, and a Venturi that attaches to an ergonomic anodized aluminum handle with integrated flow control valve. It provides an unparalleled cleaning performance when air pressure is combined with decreasing solvent and simultaneous scrubbing action via the flow-through brush heads. The features and benefits are as follows: an innovative system for cleaning, degreasing, and the application of various solvents. Better cleaning with interchangeable twisted wire stainless steel and industrial strength nylon abrasive brushes. Portable cleaning anywhere where air supply is available with Venturi injector. Simultaneous dissolve, dislodge, and brush away debris. Integrated flow valve allows for ultimate control with pressurized solvents, and a self-cleaning design. It uses less solvent and keeps workstation cleaner. Countless applications for this product: part washing, degreasing, on-engine cleaning, fluid evacuation, and more. As you can see, the kit does come with a nice exploded view diagram that does show you replaceable and wearable parts that you can get, but this does have a lifetime warranty. This does exclude wearable components. The actual handle is made of very nice quality anodized aluminum. It feels great, nice and heavy. There's a quality knob on there. There's a seal in between each part that is attached to it, and it just has a very quality feel, just like all other IPA products do have. Here you can see me fitting the stainless steel brush. There are two ways you can introduce air into this. The preferred method that I am going to use is actually a nipple that is of my air fitting style, but you can put this barb on that allows you to put a hose on this, like maybe a whip hose, or simply just a hose with a clamp if that's all you do have. This is included with the kit. On the back of your parts washer or whatever system you choose to use, mine has a nice little punch out, so I went ahead and knocked this punch out. Once I knock this out, I can go ahead and feed my supply line right into the parts washer, and I have my supply of solvent to the brush from this location. The supply hose is plenty long enough to reach your solvent supply location to your brush if you're using a parts washer like I have here. And also what I thought that was really nice was that the control knob for the Venturi that controls the amount of air that flows through is actually a pretty strong little magnet. So you can store this anywhere on your parts washer. Mine's made of metal. You can store it anywhere on the edge or the top of it, like you'll see in just a few seconds. And it keeps it out of the way and keeps it looking nice and neat. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and plug this system in and take care of this dirty cylinder head cover and see what this system can do. Right off the bat, I kind of noticed something that I really did not like, and something that I really didn't think about, and I'm not sure how well you can see it in the screen, but this is a solvent in a parts washer. This isn't a eco-friendly product or something that you want to be breathing in, and I found that although the agitation with air and the scrubbing did work very well for cleaning, I really didn't like how the solvent itself just kind of was dispersed into the air. The solvent was almost in like a mist, and it was almost all around you. You could smell it, and it just didn't seem healthy to be potentially breathing the mist of this solvent in. Not only that, the mist almost seems to kind of make it a little bit more messier of a process. That mist, or the I guess byproduct of the compressed air actually sucking the solvent up and spraying it, it creates a vapor, and I really don't like it. I feel like this may potentially be a hazard, as far a health hazard. You know, I definitely wouldn't want to breathe this in, but I do have to admit that having the adjustable knob and using the air sucking up the fluid from the solvent tank using as a Venturi, it did work really well. It was kind of nice, and I definitely wouldn't mind using this in certain applications, but I think for me, in this particular parts washer, this isn't somewhere that I would use this all the time. Personally, I would use this somewhere where maybe I wouldn't have access to a parts washer and I can use some sort of a biodegradable degreaser. maybe, you know, put it into the bucket of biodegradable degreaser, and you could go ahead and do whatever you need to do right in your driveway and not have to worry about that vapor getting anywhere or the spill getting all over the ground, and you could just wash it away later. But as you can see, it does do a good job. The agitation, the airflow coming through the stainless steel brush, it works great. And you can see that I do compare it to the regular nylon brush that does come with the parts washer. And then I will also put on the nylon brush that comes with the tool. Overall, for this particular setup, I don't recommend using it in a parts washer. Like I said, I feel like the mist or vapor that's given off is probably not the best thing, but I can definitely see this being very useful in locations where you simply don't have a parts washer and you want to use whatever solvent of your choice in a bucket. You know, almost like they do soda blasting. They can soda blast in the middle of nowhere. The baking soda ends up in the ground and it's not a big deal. Well, this, I think if you were to use a biodegradable product with the flow-through Venturi and maybe a air supply that you have connected to a generator, you know, maybe like a mobile technician, this would be an excellent addition to your tool setup. So long story short, I wouldn't recommend using this in a parts washer like I have shown here. I think the space is too small. There's too much vapor generated. It's going to make a little bit more of a mess. I think this is more of a mobile technician kind of tool, a tool that can be used with a biodegradable product that you're not going to have to worry about the vapor getting everywhere. But overall, this is actually a really nice tool. The flow control valve works great. You can really control the amount of product that this sucks up while you're cleaning and the amount of pressure that's applied as well. But like I've stated, it's really not meant for what you're seeing it used for here. Not really for a parts washer type of setup. I would use this more for on-site applications, mobile applications. But like I said, overall, awesome tool. Does what it's supposed to do, works the way that it's supposed to work, and it's a quality piece.